Yes, Doc. Let's discuss etiology in Chinese medicine, the fire. Fire is transformed from excessive yang qi. It can readily intermix with summer heat. However, though they are similar, there is difference. Summer heat is gradual, whereas fire is an extreme form of heat. Illnesses of fire can also be exogenous or endogenous. An illness of exogenous fire generally results from direct attack by warm or summer heat. An illness of exogenous fire generally results from disharmony of yin, yang, qi, and blood of the visceral organs with exuberant yang qi and deficient of yin qi. Furthermore, when the passion becomes extreme, they can also, under certain conditions, produce fire. Hence the saying, the five qi transforming into fire and the five passion transforming into fire. The nature and pathogenic characteristics of fire are as follows. So we have here from the hot weather, there's smoke from smoking, alcohol, excessive intake of spicy foods, biopathogenic causes results into fire evil. So this tends to flame upward, having the patient would have a high fever, aversion to heat, thirst with restlessness, sweating. It could also disturb the mind, resulting into agitation and insomnia, mental disarrangement, coma, convulsions, stiff neck. It could also consume qi and body fluids, resulting into sweating, thirst with desire for drinking, oliguria with dark urine, constipation. It could also result into induced erratic blood flow, causing sores and ulcer. Various kinds of bleeding, like hematemesis, nosebleed. It could also affect the stool with blood, urine with blood, profuse menstruation, etc. So here the fire evil, transformation of passion into fire, or mental depression transforming into fire could result into endogenous fire, having the result of a heart fire, liver and gallbladder fire, stomach fire, and kidney fire. Fire is a young evil and its nature is to burn and flame up. Because fire burns, when it causes illness, mostly there are high fever, aversion to heat, thirst, restlessness, sweating, and a surging and rapid pulse. Because it flames up, most clinical symptoms involve the upper body, such as sore throat and inflamed gums. Since the heart is classified under the fire element, the fire evil can readily, though indirectly, disturb the mind, producing such symptoms as agitation and insomnia, or irascibility and erratic behavior, or delirium and incoherent speech. Fire damages body fluids effectively. It easily forces fluids to the outside and exhausts yin fluids. Hence, when the fire evil causes illness, there often are such symptoms as thirst with desire for drink, dry throat and parched tongue, scant dark red urine, and constipation, in addition to fever. Fire readily induces wind and stirs up blood, known in CM as extreme heat generating wind. When the fire evil invades the human body, it often burns the liver meridian and consumes its yin fluids. This causes the sinews to lose their nourishment and moisture and induces the internal movement of liver wind. The typical symptoms are high fever, delirium with incoherent speech, convulsion with rolling up of the eyes, opisthotonus. The fire evil also stimulates blood to move rapidly, scorching the vessels and inducing frenetic blood movement. As a result, hematemesis, epistaxis, hematochezia, hematuria, skin purpura, and excessive menses or metarrhagia may occur. Fire also easily causes sores and ulcers. When the fire evil reaches the blood level of the warm disease. It can force blood to stagnate in a region, causing necrosis then ulceration.
Okay.
Clinically inflamed swellings and ulcers are all attributable to yang and to fire. Thank you for your attention.